IRF is the single largest retail-related event. You meet the best brains in the country. You hear about the latest things that they have been doing and what their plans for the future are. So it's a place to gain knowledge. It's a place to connect with people. It's a place to anticipate what you should be doing for your business in the coming year. That's why IRF. Basically, I think it's a good idea to figure out what sessions that they really think they're going to connect, gain most information out of. As an exhibitor, I'm not able to attend all sessions, but I do make sure that there are certain sessions that I earmark to attend. Of course, meet with people outside. There is a host of interesting people from different parts of retail. There are retailers themselves, there are service providers, there are people who are experts in technology, startups who are looking to gain a lot of information. So sort of earmark what you're looking at. Are you looking to meet real estate experts? And figure out the time that you will be networking and the time that you will be soaking in information. Yeah. Yes, we've been I was just recently told, we've become almost permanent fixtures. There are people, there are clients, existing clients and prospective clients who look at us and say, this is what you did last year. Interesting, these are your new projects this year. So in that sense, a connection with retailers in general, with co-service providers. There have been a lot of alliances and connections that have been made at IRF, and I look forward to meeting a new crop of people every year and reconnecting with people that we would have met over the years and sort of become friends with. It's a validation of what you've been doing and what you've been doing well to be present at an event like that. So that really works for us, and I hope that it works for IRF as well.